Meaning of Europeanize.
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 Europeanize. The term Europeanize refers to the process of adopting or conforming to European cultural, economic, political, or social norms and practices. The result of Europeanization may vary depending on the context, but generally, it involves the transformation of a non-European country or organization to align with European standards. This can include the adoption of policies, laws, and regulations that are in line with those of the European Union, as well as cultural changes such as increased appreciation for European art, music, literature, and history. Ultimately, Europeanization aims to create greater unity and cooperation between European countries and their neighbors.